Set up the minimum stroke by turning the stroke adjustment connector with the supplied spanner in the direction indicated by the symbol minus. Make sure that the movement of the mandrel is minimal. Turn the stroke adjustment connector with supplied spanner in the direction indicated by the symbol plus. Make sure that the mandrel has increased the stroke. Screw the insert on the mandrel, making sure that the top of the insert is in contact with the head and that the mandrel comes out about 2 mm. Make the first cycle of work and verify an insufficient deformation. It is necessary to increase the stroke. Screw the insert on the mandrel, restoring the correct positioning. Still need a slight increase of deformation. Optimal deformation.